So here we have our render. In the first case we start with drawing simple sketch and render it by app.vizcom.ai, which is a website who renders sketch to real photo with AI. We see here our final result and the prompt to make more details and reality to the photo. Turn simple sketches into professional 3D renders in seconds. No more waiting for complex software to catch up with your creativity. This website is quite easy to use and not difficult at all, but I will drop some tutorials and prompt to use it. Hope you enjoy. See you next video. If you got any questions or feedback, please don't be shy, I will be happy to listen to it. Thanks for watching, see you next video.